Hello guys, here is another video on the Lasko 16-inch oscillating pedestal fan model 2524 from the early 2010s. As you can tell, this got some new parts, starting with the grills. This is pretty much a better design to the previous ones, as those were notorious for the tabs breaking off if the fan were to get knocked over or something. This one at least are fitted properly. It's not loose like some of the other ones I have seen before. It has a new plastic piece that connects the motor to the pole assembly. The original one was cracking very badly. Therefore, I'm glad to have come across a newer one from 2019 that pretty much was thrown out because the blade was deteriorating. Because, of course, the plastic was very thin that a slight amount of sun damage could pretty much break it down easily. It kept the original motor still, retained, the pole assembly came from that same fan I was mentioning earlier. The original one I think got tossed out. So yeah, this was pretty much the better condition one of the pair that was thrown out. So I grabbed it. Still worked. And all that stuff. As far as the badge is concerned, it has the newer one. The older one is scratched up, so I might as well keep this one, which looks nice. And pretty much because this is the type of style that is featured on the prototypes on those boxes, even though of course this blade has long been discontinued. About the blade though, I have not been able to balance it properly. And the way this is designed is pretty much the reason why I had trouble even attempting to, align the blades perfectly. Now, it seems that there was supposed to be more plastic over this side here, kind of like the ones featured on the Air King fans, but what they decided to do is pretty much use less pitch because they were using the same motors as the 12-inch models at the time. So of course, in order to cut down costs, this is a blade that they came out with back in the mid-2000s. And this is pretty much what's been sold at Walmart and Home Depot ever since. Now of course, the Elegance and Performance series make up for that, but either way, it's pretty much a shame. And another thing I found out about the way that these blades are aligned, apparently it seems that Lasko has been having trouble centering the blade hub properly for probably the last 28 years at best, ever since they came out with that new blade design back in '98. So there's that. Anyways, let's start the fan up. So here is the low. Yeah, I don't know how. For the amount of pitch it has, it should not be shaking to the slightest, but yet it still does. It is blowing air, but it is mostly a breeze. It seems alright. I mean, these seem to be meant for small rooms at best. It does carry though. Now, the downside of this design, the downside of this design here, when it comes to the plastic grills, is that when the dust kicks in, this one's not going to blow anything at all. Here is medium. It seems to slightly increase in airflow. Not that much. Without this front grill, this can actually manage to whip out a more decent breeze than what it is blowing right now. Yeah, I could hear that rattling. Probably from the bearings or something. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Let's take a look. Let's take a close look at the blade hub. Yeah, this doesn't really seem to be that aligned. But once again, for the amount of pitch this has, it shouldn't really be that off balance. Let's see high. Yeah, that balance is awful. Now, the plus side is that despite the awful balance, at least in terms of vibrations, it is more tolerable to the 2018. For some reason, that blade hub is not aligned either, but it shakes so violently that you can pretty much hear all the vibrations. This one, you can't really hear it, which is an improvement to the last video. Let's see how the oscillation functions now. Yeah, in terms of airflow, this will kind of be like an average low speed if the blade were to have a steeper pitch, of course. Yeah, that's quite the improvement. Let's see, I'm gonna have to see what here it is. Do the diver while I place something down here. guess this base is more stable to the last one. Yeah, that's an upgrade right there then. Yeah, it seems that all vibrations from the previous video are pretty much absorbed somehow. That's actually quite amazing. Alright, so let's shut this off now. Alright, so it turns out that this fan has been improvised in terms of vibrations. So, yeah. Not that powerful, of course, but at least it is improvised, so I'll give it that. So that will be it for this video. That's the Lasko 16-inch oscillating pedestal fan model 2524 after the upgrades.